In this tutorial, I make crankshaft. Select front plane, sketch, circle, smart dimension, press Ctrl, select the center point and this center point, make vertical relation, line, smart dimension, (12.7). Okay, press Ctrl, select this edge and this line, tangent, select this edge, this line, tangent, press Ctrl, select this edge, this line, tangent, okay, trim extra part. Go to feature, extrude boss, 7.62. Okay, go to reference geometry, axis, click this face. Okay, drag this axis. Okay, go to insert, feature, move and copy, body, this body, click copy option, rotate, translate this axis -60.96. Okay, go to insert again, feature, move and copy, tick out this option, copy body, this body, rotate, rotating axis, rotating angle -180 degree. Okay, select front plane, sketch, circle, 19 mm. Go to feature, extrude boss, select offset 25.4, offset direction 146.05. Tick out this option, select auto counter, this body and this body. Okay, go to linear pattern, direction, this direction, click on body, this body, 146.05. Okay, go to insert, feature, move and copy, this body, rotating axis, minus 120 degree. Okay, go to insert again, feature, move and copy, body to move and copy, click on this body, rotate, rotating axis, angle minus 240 degree. Okay, go to feature again, combine, make all the different body into single part. Okay, hide this axis, click on this face, sketch, convert entity, feature, extrude boss. .94. Okay, our crankshaft is ready. Click on right, edit material, carbon steel sheet, apply, close. Okay, thank you.